Hey, Old Man Crypto here from Florence, Italy. And let's look at the market. Should you hold? Should you panic sell? What should you do right now? Going crazy. Let's check it out. Okay, so everybody's wondering what to do in this market that's going all over the place. Right now, I am in holding mode. I tried to DCA. That didn't work for me. If we look at the market and where it's sitting right now, look at this. Like almost $50 billion out of the market. No new money coming in. Looks like we had some whales supposedly pull out a bunch of Bitcoin in the last few days. And that typically when we move out of Bitcoin, we're moving into the smaller cryptos or the other cryptos, right? The alternatives. But if you look, we're in a lot of red. So the money is not moving over to the alternatives. We have a couple NEMs in there, Lisk is in there. We've got a couple with some movement, not a ton, but look at the top 50. It's just a bloodbath. So let's look at a couple other things real quick, and then I'll tell you kind of where I'm at right now. So let's just look at NEM. If we look at NEM, yes, over the last day there has been some activity, and you could make some trades in there, and theoretically make a few percentage points by the end of the day. If you look at Lisk, same thing. I'm looking at a 10-minute chart. You've got some movement in there. You could make a couple percentage points. So yes, you could. Bitcoin is, and I don't be in a 10-minute chart here. Let's look at a 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin is basically sideways now. We were on this upward trend for the last few days. We came down, and it looks like we'll trade sideways for a little bit. We flattened out on the 1-week average. So normally that would be a good thing, right? We get some stability in Bitcoin. We'd have some of the altcoins start picking up some of the Bitcoin money, and we'd see some places where we could make some gains. Right now, that's few and far between. So what I'm looking at doing is you could go a couple different ways, right? I'm not a professional financial advisor, but as I'm looking at the market, and I've been through this a couple times now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold. I'm looking at this as a buying opportunity. Coins are, if you believe the market's going to come back, and I do. Look, we're in tax season. We still, April 15th could be the day. So, the market could come back with people getting their returns, putting some more money back in. There might be a little bit of FUD that'll happen in the next few weeks. We could see this go back down again, right? Could it get back down into that $6,000 range? Too soon to tell. I haven't done a ton of analysis on where we're at right now, but that doesn't really matter at this point in time, because if you have some big whales pulling out money from Bitcoin, this analysis is going to be untrue. Okay? The analysis works when it's kind of the consistent day-to-day in and out with all of us in general. When you have whales starting to pull money in and out, pull money in, push money in, it makes huge swings. Bitcoin's volatile. We know that. We take the good with the bad. But if you believe the market is going to come back, look at this as a buying opportunity. Either buy coins individually and hold them, the ones that you like. They're going to be at a good value right now, obviously. Hold them. If you have coins in the red, I would not panic sell. Again, if you believe the market's going to come back, wait for the market to come back and make your money back. Because what are you going to do? Are you going to trade right now in this market when you've got all this red going on, and you're going to try and pick and choose where you're going to make your money? Or are you just going to hold what you have right now, wait until we start seeing this market come back to the green, and make your money then? Okay? If you're trying to make money quickly, this is not the time in my mind to try and do that. Put your money somewhere else. Put your money, I don't know where you're going to make money fast. But right now, my stance for me personally is to just hold, ride this out, potentially have to wait through tax season, through mid-April, and or not, we'll see. But wait for this market to start coming green again, and hopefully green. I mean, if I bought Cardano higher than this negative 11%, then I might have to wait till it comes up 20% to make some money off of it. But look, Cardano is at 23 cents. It's been as high as what? Let's just check here. I mean, over $1 or close to $1 not too long ago, right? Was at a high back here of $1.12. That was as recent as January. We had it at double where it's at right now, as recent as end of January. So again, this might just be the time not to panic sell unless you really know what you're going to do with your money and you want to chase after those few coins that are in the positive or have some action going on. You do have enough action in here again, if you want to chase after that. It's not my thing, but there is some money to be made in a couple of those coins that are moving. Again, it's not going to be my thing to chase after. But hey, good luck to you. I'm trying to get some videos out while I'm on the road, and let's see what happens. It's a roller coaster, right? We've been on it.